Alex, and I'm the product manager in Cloudera Support for our predictive alerting capabilities. I'm here today to talk briefly about our exciting new product available on the My Cloudera customer portal known as validations. Validations are a series of predictive checks automatically run against every diagnostic bundle received from our customers' CDH or CDP private cloud-based environments. Cloudera Support currently scans customers' diagnostic data for over 270 known problem signatures that can affect cluster stability, performance, security, and overall health and operation. Diagnostic bundles can be provided to Cloudera Support directly from the product using Cloudera Manager, for example, or they can be uploaded manually as a support case attachment or via a phone home Python script that's available on Cloudera.com. No matter how diagnostic bundles arrive at Cloudera Support, and regardless of the contractual level in place, customers have access to the results of these predictive checks in order to provide the highest level of insight and value to our customers. Validation alerts are designated a severity level, such as critical, error, warning, information, or curiosity, which is based on the impact to the cluster. Included with each alert are the relevant problem details, the affected hosts, roles, or services in the cluster, the applicable documentation, and of course, the recommended course of action. We urge customers to review their validation alerts and take the necessary steps to resolve these known configuration issues. The Cloudera Support Validations program has been in existence for 8 years and has always been fundamental to the high quality of support delivered to our customers. Its ability to rapidly identify known issues and root causes is crucial to ensuring the success of Cloudera's customers. On March 30th, 2021, we took a huge step and opened access to validation results directly to customers on My Cloudera. Customers can now review these alerts in a self-service and on-demand manner. The ability to mark alerts as reviewed when corrective action is taken has been included in this release. We've also added the functionality to silence validation notifications for entire clusters in the event the environment is a sandbox or a development cluster that doesn't warrant a close level of attention. Finally, customers now have self-service control in My Cloudera over predictive alerting notification recipients and can add or remove contacts with ease. As a reminder, in order to take full advantage of validations, please regularly send diagnostic bundles to Cloudera Support. This ensures customers are notified of newly deployed validation alerts as quickly as possible. I'll now provide a quick demonstration of validations in My Cloudera. Upon logging into My Cloudera, you'll be presented with the screen you see here. You'll want to click on the Support tab. When you're redirected to Support, you'll want to proceed to the Assets section. Assets are nothing more than the representation of your supported environments. Here we see CDH assets and we also see CDP assets. These are the assets for which validations are applicable. Let's click on CDP assets. The validations column contains either a count or a dash. If a dash is present, what that means is the environment in question does not yet have a diagnostic bundle on record. Let's click on the 36, which denotes how many open validation alerts exist for this cluster named Game of Nodes. On the resulting screen, you'll see a few key pieces of information. First and foremost, you'll see the last time we received a diagnostic bundle from the cluster in question. You'll also see links for providing feedback, for handling and augmenting the notifications that I mentioned a few minutes ago regarding the recipients of predictive alerting. You'll also see a link that brings you to a knowledge article that describes the validations program in more detail. Here is where we break down validations into the different levels of criticality. In this particular cluster, we do not have any critical alerts, but we do have error, warning, and curiosity alerts. We also have a single alert that has been already classified as reviewed. Let's click into the error level alerts. First, you can see that one alert is newer than the last month. It's denoted by the green indicator here. By expanding any individual alert, it proceeds to show you the full detail of the alert in question, including the applicable documentation, as well as the component in question, the name of the validator, the hosts that are applicable as well, including the documentation or knowledge resource you can also reach with this link here. Here in the ellipses, you're able to denote the alert as reviewed, which will drop it to the reviewed section that I showed you a moment ago. The same is true for everything in the warning and the curiosity categories. Cloudera Support recommends that you review these alerts and take the corrective action. We highly encourage you to submit feedback using the alias predictive-support-feedback@cloudera.com. We're glad that you were able to join today and to learn a little bit more about the predictive alerting capabilities offered from Cloudera Support. Thank you and have a great day.